Hey everyone, it's Clara aka My Sweet DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to work the invisible join in your crochet projects. This technique gives your work a smooth, seamless finish, perfect for when you want your pieces to look super professional.
First things first, you're going to work the final stitch of your round as usual. But here's the trick. Don't finish with a slip stitch to join. Instead, pull the loop on your hook up so that the yarn tail comes all the way through. Now, thread the yarn tail onto a needle. Skip the first stitch of the round and insert the needle under both loops of the top of the second stitch. Pull it tight. You're basically creating a fake stitch here, which blends perfectly with the rest of your work. Next, thread the tail through the back 2 loops of the final stitch of the round. This secures everything in place. Finally, weave in your ends as you normally would. And that's it. You've just created an invisible join. And if you look closely, you'll see a neat little loop at the top of your first stitch. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in the overall look of your project. Give it a try on your next crochet piece and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet tips and tutorials. See you next time. Bye!